to our Me and My Isuzu. Isuzu Philippines Corporation turned over a brand new water tank truck to the Philippine Red Cross.
Today's activity is a very meaningful initiative that reflects the strong commitment of the Isuzu network in supporting communities and humanitarian efforts. We are very proud of our dealer principal, Iconic Dealership Incorporated, under the AC Mobility Group for leading another meaningful collaboration. This time with the Philippine Red Cross to provide support to communities affected by calamities nationwide. This initiative embodies Isuzu's core value of being a responsible partner to society.
As part of this partnership with Philippine Red Cross, AC Mobility together with Iconic Dealership Incorporated donated 1 unit of Isuzu FBR 34 water tanker truck to support the organization's humanitarian and disaster response activities. This vehicle will initially be deployed in Cebu to assist communities affected by calamities in areas experiencing limited access to clean water. But eventually, it can also support their operations nationwide.
IPC, a longtime supporter of the Red Cross, presented the truck to Red Cross Chairman Richard Gordon at the latter's headquarters in Mandaluyong City.
Well, it's a great day today because we got this Isuzu water tanker. Isuzu is a very efficient truck manufacturer, and certainly for our purposes during disasters, we want it to be reliable and we want it to be able to do the job. And so I'm very, very happy because it looks like a knight in shining armor. White knight, di ba?
The water tank will be used by the Red Cross in its relief operations in various parts of the country.
We would like to thank the Philippine Red Cross for their unwavering dedication and service to Filipino communities, especially during the time of crisis and emergency. We hope that through this simple initiative, we can show how private organizations and humanitarian institutions can work together to create meaningful and lasting impact for the community.
This has been another Auto Review feature. Thank you for watching.